Vikings, I come to you today to talk to you about a topic very near and dear to my heart. Ratios! I'm going to talk about ratios today. I love ratios. Ratios are awesome. You should totally watch all of this movie today. Ratios are cool. Seriously, ratios are cool. They're really neat, and they're actually kind of on the easy side of things. But there's some things we have to remember. So let's make sure we're all on the same page with some of the vocabulary, ground rules on how this all works. And this should just roll nice and easy. Ratios are a comparison of two numbers using division. Rate is a ratio usually compared to time, like miles per hour, feet per second, free throws per minute, whatever it is you do with your time. Unit rate is any ratio compared to 1. The number of miles you travel in 1 hour. The number of free throws you can throw in 1 minute. The number of friends you can stuff into the back seat of one car. Unit rate's useful for all kinds of things. You can use it to determine what's the best buy, comparing the price per ounce, the price per gallon, the price per whatever the thing is measured in. Unit rate is also good when making other kinds of comparisons, like which car is faster from yesterday's video. But here's the thing. Rate, ratio, unit rate, order matters. Order matters. Just like order matters in everything else we do. Hey, but unit rate's good for all kinds of stuff. You can use it for figuring out your best buy on price per ounce, price per gallon, price per whatever it is that you're measuring the thing you're buying, price per square foot maybe. But unit rate's good for other stuff too, like comparing which car was faster in yesterday's video or which one of the athletes is better at today's basketball tryouts that are going on down in the gym. I don't know. No idea. Free throws per minute? Maybe that's something they're doing. I'm not a sports guy. I don't understand that stuff. I do know this. Math can help all kinds of decision making. So ratios are great. But the thing about ratios is this. In ratios, like in so much else in life, order matters. Whatever is spoken about or written about first has to be the first thing in your ratio. The second thing is second. It kind of seems logical, but let's see what that looks like. So let's think of some silly examples. Like, let's say your dog has 37 fleas. The unit rate comparison to 1, you've only got one dog, and you're talking about 37 fleas on there. So you'd say the unit rate of fleas to dog. See that order? Fleas first, then the dog. So fleas to dog, 37 to 1. 37 to 1. 37 to 1. That's our unit rate for fleas to dog. It's also a good indication we should buy some flea shampoo. Bad news. Let's say instead you're a sneakerhead, and maybe you've got rooms full of sneakers that you've collected. Rare Jordans that nobody even knows exist. Wow. So you've got 7 rooms at your house dedicated to your sneakers. And let's say on total, you've got 987 pairs of shoes. That's a lot of shoes. What would our ratio look like? It'd look like this, 987 to 7. Wait, we wrote the other one like a fraction. Yes, we did. And here's the thing. Ratios can be written several ways. What's another ratio? How about another unit rate ratio? The number of remaining players to imposter? That sounds a little sus already. So how about if we have, it's down to 4 people, and you know one of them's the imposter. What's the player to imposter ratio? It's 4 to 1. 4 to 1 is the ratio of people playing still and that one imposter. So be on the lookout and make sure that nobody in class vents. Oh, you didn't see that. So on today's assignment, what you're looking to do is write the ratio. Easy enough. All you got to do is make sure you keep everything in the right order. And if you can, from time to time, it might be nice to reduce it to simplest terms.